Hey, what's up, passionate passive income investors? So I got a fun challenge here for all you beginning dividend investors out there. When you buy a stock, you're owning a piece of a real business, and that business must be selling products. So we need to see those products out there in the world being used. So I have a challenge. I'm gonna find 13 dividend stocks on our way to Milwaukee, in Milwaukee, on the way to the hotel throughout the day. The rules are simple. I cannot go inside of a store and find something that's on a shelf, and it must be done by 10 o'clock tonight. You can see the time. It's 20 after 11 in the afternoon, so we're gonna get at it. We got our Irish gear on. Let's head to Milwaukee. So we're only a few blocks from home, and we had to stop for gas, and American Express pulled it out of my pocket. So that's our first one, American Express. Check it out. So we decided to check in at the hotel early and sleep in, owned by Choice Hotels, which is our second dividend stock. We're using it in real time in Wisconsin. Let's see what's next. This is gonna be easier than I thought. Check it out. So right across the street from the sleep in is a General Mills facility. We got our number 3 dividend stock. And I think this would make Mr. Ian Lopick happy. Got a General Mills facility. Good dividend company, and that's number 3 on the list. And it's still early, baby, it's still early. It's almost 3 o'clock, and we got number 4 here, Bank of Montreal. Look at that logo, BMO. We got a few more to find, so let's hop to it. What can Brown do for you? Check it out. Brown can give me number 5 of 13. We're knocking them down. Let's see what's next. Check it out. I just found number 6 on my daughter's shoes. Who does not want to be in the video? Nike, dividend paying company. It's the spinning Christmas tree of death. So it's a little bit warm and people are getting uncomfortable and crabby, and it looks like rain might be moving in, but no fear. Look at this. I just found number 7, Molson Coors. And what is Milwaukee famous for? You can't have Milwaukee without the mighty Miller Lite. That's the one, the only. And that's number 7. We're gonna look for number 8. Just found number 8. Look at the checkered shoes. Vans. VF Corporation owns Vans. That is number 8. It started to rain, and I think we're gonna have to continue this and look for number 8 elsewhere. So I don't know. We'll see what happens. So it has just been raining. It's never rained this much at Irish Fest before, and we're about ready to leave. Everybody's had it. And what do I spy on this picnic bench here? Check it out. It is a bottle of PepsiCo Aquafina. That's what's up. Aquafina, that's number 9, PepsiCo. We're on our way out through the parking lot, and I got my number 10 dividend stock. It is the none, the only, the big, the powerful, made in Wisconsin, Harley Davidson. So we're in the car getting ready to go, and check it out. My daughter is here to help me with, what do you got?
Coke.
We got Coke. That's number 11 dividend stock, Coca-Cola. Running out of time at the hotel room, but check it out. We're gonna go into the travel bag for this one, and one of my favorites, Crest. That's right. Crest is a Procter & Gamble product. They have over 65 individual brands. That's number 12. How are we gonna find number 13? So it's almost 10 o'clock. We're almost to our deadline, and I've only got 12 companies that pay a dividend. And then it hit me, and I realized that sometimes we fail to recognize and truly appreciate those things that are closest to us and are the most dependable. So the one thing that I have been using all day and all of this recording has been done on, is the one, the only Apple, ticker AAPL. I hope you enjoyed this day as much as my family did. That's another Irish Fest in the books, and I hope you learn to look around and see that there are dividend-paying companies all around us. And speaking of great dividend-paying companies, check out this video right here on 5 that have crazy high growth, and I will talk to you there.